Hey team, I'm Victor from Ricksoft. When it comes to managing work in Jira, often we would think, is there a way for us to increase our efficiency to make sure that all the information in Jira are up to date and also accurate? But there are tons of tickets that we need to update in a week or in a month. What if we have a solutions that allow you to update 100 of tickets, like how you are updating Excel spreadsheet in Jira? In this demo, we will be doing a comparison between the Excel Lite bulk editing app with the list view in Jira. In this demo, we will be completing 6 different tasks using 2 different approaches. First, we will be using EIE app, and then the second one will be using the Jira native list view to do the bulk editing for the same list of tickets over here. So there are 6 different tasks over here. So I will start the timer just to measure how long does it take for us to finish the task. So first, I will change the assignee to Razi. And my teammate over here, I can just choose to drag just to make sure that I update the first 10 ticket with Razi. And then maybe I need to change a few to KD. So I can just select over here, and then I can just copy and Control C and then Control V just to update some of the ticket to KD. And after that, I will update a few tickets with the start date. I will change the 10th of October to maybe 7th of October for the list of ticket over here. Same, I can just drag and but how I update Jira or Excel over here. After that, I will update the labels. So I will change the America to both America and Apex. Yep. And then other than that, I will try to change the priorities. Since actually it's low, I will change it to maybe lowest, just to show the difference. Yep, I just need to change one, and then I can drag over here, just to show you the change. And then other than that, I will update the mobiles, the component over here. Same component, I will just change over here. I will just paste and then drag and do a bulk change over here. And the last, I will just try to change the issue type over here. So you can see I can just do a change from task to bulk, and then I can just drag and then do a bulk update as well. So I can just save, and all the change will happen immediately for all the tickets. Actually, I just updated. So it took roughly 2 minutes for EIE. So right now I will start again doing the same list of tasks using the Jira native list view. So I will start the counter over here, the timer over here. Let's see how long do we need. So first I will select maybe 5 tickets over here, or since actually we mentioned tickets, random 10 tickets. So I need to select random 10 over here, and 10 tickets. So I will update assignee as KD and confirm. Maybe 2 more for, and then I will just update 5 for the start date. Start date, I will need to select that. Start dates. So I need to 10th of October. So it's not as flexible as EIE, but it still allows us to do about editing over here, but we just can't choose and then copy like what we did for EIE. And then other than that, I will update the labels over here. So labels, I will still need to select the tickets over here, and then maybe and then I will edit, and then labels, I will add new and VIP, and then next and confirm. So I will unselect everything, and let's say I need to update the top 5 to low priority. top 5 tickets and then edit the priority to low, and next confirm. And then I need to change the component to 10 tickets to mobile. So you can see that I need to change again 90 tickets and 10 tickets. Right now I will try to edit the component. Yep, it's still there. So component, I will just add new and mobile, and next save. And the last one would be changing the issue type. Let's see if we can change the issue type. So yeah, the issue type is not editable with the list view. So I will stop here. So it's roughly 2 minutes 45 seconds. So it's around 45 seconds more than what. In conclusions, EIE provides more efficiency and also flexibility about editing. It does not require more click. We can always use the Excel friendly way of updating, like copy and paste. You can always drag, auto fill the information like in Excel. Thanks.